And today we're gonna be doing the slime for Nickelodeon. Today I have my cousin Jackie. Come with the bowl. We have this. Here's a slime. Here's a little thing that's fake.
Stick.
Fake stick. And we have this.
Looks like an ice cream spoon.
Tomato. And we have glue.
I didn't know that. So a little box for no reason.
And this is paint. Mr. Me.
I didn't know. And some little
And there's two
coloring
sticks here.
things.
Those are paint. And we have
What?
a caps.
This one might be blueberry.
And we have a
strawberry,
spoon.
and then I don't know what this is.
There you go. Let's get it all set here. We have to fill up the container. It's not coming out.
Use a stick to take it out.
Okay. Now, next, we have to use water. I did it nicely.
Okay,
I did it so nicely.
Okay.
Now we choose our color. I'm gonna use blue. Okay, open it.
At least have one to mix with.
Yeah, it's okay.
I can just do it.
In here? In here?
Yes. Yes.
Whoa, oh my god.
Do more. That's just a little bit. Don't worry. That looks so weird.
Whoa. Next we need activator. Jackie's just gonna free it up.
I'm not gonna do anything.
Free hands. Whoa! It looks actually slime. Look at Jackie. It's actually slime. Look at it.
I know.
Whoa. So now we mix, guys. Look it. Look it, guys. It looks like actually real slime.
So slimy. Oh my
Keep
God.
mixing.
See? I'm gonna add some glitter to mine.
His mom said he wanted to give me.
There. Like that?
Ew.
Actually, you did the same as me. You did blue. That's the same as me.
I know, Kat. I know.
No, I can't mix it.
Use your hands.
No, not yet. I can't use my hands. Now we're just gonna mix it with our hand. Hers is so sticky.
How do
you
you
ever see a pig anywhere?
What?
You ever seen a pig?
Of course. Pigs are ugly.
But did you see Peppa?
Of course. She's more pretty.
Now we're just squishing it. My hands are not even that sticky. Look, I should just go with it. Look it. Look it. It's not. Not even that sticky.
I can't sweat. It's good.
Can I feel yours? It's dry. Mine is not even dry yet. Yours is so cool.
Twingers. My new name, Twingers.
Ew.
Okay, I'm done.
Now we're gonna make another one here.
I think that looks better.
There we go.
Why does it fit? Look at mine.
It's okay.
It's okay. So I'm gonna do purple this time. Can't open it. Oh, whoa. My spoon. Oh, I'm gonna have pink.
I'm just gonna do it again.
I think it's pink. Is it? Yeah. Okay, so open. Oh. Boom. It looks funny. I can like mix it with a spoon. Can
Yeah.
I mix it with a spoon? Jackie, do you want to mix yours in the spoon? Next activator.
Oh, you almost used the whole thing with this.
I'm not measuring this time. Jackie, you don't want to use that all. My mom gotta help me. I want glue. I want that. Well, why I ain't my mom for help.
Ooh, it's getting better. It's
Mine's
Okay,
not.
guys.
Mine's
It
not.
was a
Mine's,
spell.
mine's beautiful.
Ew.
Mine's just got hair on my face.
I did it. I'm the best one. I'm trying to do it.
fresh air.
Ew.
Mine's not that bad. Not bad.
Don't touch the pink. Don't. Hold on, guys. Don't let it touch the pink. I'm not giving up. Look it. Look it, guys. If you hear this thing, look it. Okay.
Okay.
And look it. Okay, guys.
There's pink gonna get on there.
No. It looks like a monster head. Ooh. It.
Maddie, there's lotion.
You need more love.
Today. This thing does not talk to me.
So how was your day today? What? What did you say? Okay, guys, that end our video. I hope you like seeing us make slime. We'll do it again. Subscribe, like my video.
What? I said bye.
Okay.